Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the thermostat on a Dodge Grand Caravan. First, gather your tools: a ratchet, various sockets, pliers, and a drain pan. Safety is key, so make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. You'll also need to drain some coolant. Place a drain pan under the radiator and open the drain cock to remove about 2 liters of coolant. This prevents spills when you remove the thermostat housing. Now, let's find that thermostat. It's typically located where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine. You'll see a housing secured by 2 bolts. Use a 10mm socket to carefully loosen and remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently wiggle and pull the housing away from the engine. The old thermostat should now be accessible. Simply pull it out, noting its orientation for the new one. Before installing the new thermostat, it's crucial to clean both the engine block and the thermostat housing mating surfaces. Use a scraper or a rag to remove any old gasket material or debris. Now, insert the new thermostat, making sure it's oriented exactly as the old one was. Place the housing back on, reinsert the 2 bolts, and tighten them to about 10 foot-pounds. Don't over-tighten, as this can damage the housing. With the new thermostat in place, it's time to refill your cooling system. Pour the appropriate coolant slowly into the reservoir until it reaches the full mark. Start the engine with the radiator cap off and let it run until it reaches operating temperature, allowing any trapped air to escape. Top off the coolant as needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This ensures your Grand Caravan runs smoothly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.